Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ratih Hening Tias. I'm from International Relations Department, Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. Today I'd like to present my community service research entitled Identity and Nationalism Challenge for Indonesian Diaspora, Experience of Indonesian Student in Sekolah Indonesia, Kota Kinabalu, Sabah, Malaysia. Before I start my presentation, I would like to introduce my member of the team. The first member is the Sidi Ahmadi and also Dr. Sugito and Dr. Zain Maulana. We all coming from International Relations Department, Faculty of Social and Political Science. This community service was under the program scheme International Relations. As background, the Indonesian diaspora in Malaysia plays a strategic role in building positive image of the nation both through economy, social, and cultural activity. However, they also face great challenges, including the potential of for experiencing a cultural identity crisis due to cultural acculturation of local cultures in Kinabalu, Sabah, Malaysia. The objective of research is to examine the view of the student at SIKK in facing the challenge of potential identity erosion that affect the quality of their nationalism. Second, to answer the question of what strategy can be applied to strengthen their national identity so that they can develop an affinity for their homeland and national value. Data was collected through a survey of 37 students at Sekolah Indonesia Kota Kinabalu by asking 5 questions that explore their view of identity and nationalism. The methodology of this research was a descriptive qualitative to understand the subjective experience of Indonesian diaspora students in facing identity crisis and challenge of nationalism. The research design was case study at Sekolah Indonesia Kota Kinabalu, Malaysia. The survey will be conducted for 37 students, consists of 5 questions that used to explore their view on national identity and form of their devotion to the homeland. The survey question cover the aspect of challenge in maintaining national identity, concrete form of love for the homeland, and student knowledge of Indonesian culture, particularly wayang. The data analysis will be conducted through descriptive analysis. Survey results were analyzed narratively to identify the pattern to understand perception and form of expression of nationalism among students. The finding of this research was the biggest challenge often faced by the Indonesia diaspora in maintaining their national identity is around 70.3% of the students that stated that the influence of foreign culture were the biggest challenge they face. This was followed by 13.5% who cite a lack of formal education, local economic issues, and geographical distance from their home country as a challenge to their national identity. According to the experience, they showed the devotion to their country through proud action and using local products, using the Indonesian language, and preserving the nation's culture as top priority. In addition, appreciating diversity, performing flag ceremony to maintain the honor of the nation, being active in school activity, and emulating national figure are almost the forms of expression for their devotion to the country. And the other, the students stated they were familiar with wayang, even though they did not have a detailed understanding of the character of the philosophy behind the wayang story. In this community service, the wayang figure such as Gatotkaca and Kresna was chosen as means to enhance the student identity and nationalism. The wayang figures of Gatotkaca and Kresna are were effective as the medium for instilling the nationalism and love for the homeland in Sekolah Indonesia Kota Kinabalu student, because both combine universal heroic values with Indonesia unique cultures and heritage. The conclusion of this research was this paper asserts that the main challenge faced by the student at the Indonesian school in Kota Kinabalu is an identity crisis that resulting from the strong influence of foreign cultures they encounter daily in their social environment, as well as the limited access to the Indonesian culture and direct experience with Indonesia. The main contribution of this article is to demonstrate that a culture-based citizenship education strategy, particularly through wayang media and heroic figures such as Gatot Kaca and Kresna, is effective in reinforcing the sense of national identity among diaspora students. And this is some of our documentation program. I think that's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.